Purpose to me means having a goal and aiming or striving to achieve it.
So purpose is about having an ultimate goal and what you want to accomplish at the end of the day.
Purpose is about what you exist for.
Knowing the why of what I do, and most important, it makes you happy.
But to make it easier to answer that question, maybe it would be, what do you want to exist for from now on?
It's the same in parallel with regards to elite athletes or sport athletes, because they all set a goal about achieving something in their sport.
Another way to look at it is, one day if you passed on and you're lying in a casket and your friends come and visit you, what do you want them to say about you, the kind of person that you are?
My real purpose is to try and help shape tomorrow's world by making a difference to people and the planet.
So likewise, whatever you want to accomplish, it's good that you have a vision of what you want to do and then break it down into smaller bite-sized goals so that you can get there, step by step.
I think it's important to know our purpose in life, because once we know it, we know how to set our life goals. And once we have set our life goals, we know what kind of activities we need to do in order to achieve these life goals.
When you don't have purpose, that's where it becomes meaningless. And so likewise, when you have a purpose, you have a goal, and therefore things you do have got meaning.
It gives me a reason to live and to lead a meaningful life.
Because I think at the end of the day, it's about people, it's about humanity, it's about what planet we leave for our kids. If I can play an active role in trying to shape that, that's really a good thing.
I think purpose in life adds the reason and the meaning behind what you're doing, and knowing that you're going to do something that you like and is meaningful to the people around you.